Hi guys, Moz here. I'm going to be reviewing this Saunders Roe SRA-1. I'm going to unbox it. I bought it as a bit of a surprise really because I didn't quite know what I'll be getting. But what I got inside was actually very, very interesting. It doesn't come with paints and glue, but it comes with pretty much everything else you need to build this kit. So let's have a look inside the box straight after the intro. So I saw this on either an advert or something, and I went to the Hannon's website and I bought it. I tell you what it was, I think it was in Scalemates, and I thought this looks really interesting. I've never built a kit like this before. It's a water boat, obviously, and I thought let's have a little crack at it. So I went on the Hannon's website, spent 10 minutes finding it, finally found it. Got it delivered. It came in about 3 days, which is really good. Okay, I paid £3.98 postage for it. So total wise, including the postage, came to £30.97. But what surprised me is what I got inside the box, and it really did blow me away. So box art looks fantastic. Don't know who the guy is. So 2021. Okay. Side of the box, it says it's a 172 injection molded kit, limited edition, extra kit, and produced for HG Hannon Limited and by Vision Sword of the Czech Republic. Other side of the box, it does say here, this construction kit contains a complete plastic model of one Saunders Roe SRA-1 with decal sheet. Instructions in English, includes waterline option. Cement and paint are not included and must be purchased separately. Contains small parts. We hope you enjoy making this model. Fair enough. So yeah, so a Saunders Roe SRA-1, I think is a prototype, but it has the crown of the first jet propelled water based aircraft. So it has that, but you know, not that I've ever seen one in real life. I just saw the kit, I thought I'd buy it, but let's have a look inside the box and let's see what we get. So first off, you get 2 sprues of parts. Well, I should say grey ones, and you get it looks like 2 canopies in this one, plus the nose there of the canopy. So you get 2 designs of canopy on this one. Let me get outside the bag here so you can see. So you get 2 styles, and one's got edges in there, so you've got like little window holes there, round and square. And this one's just a bubble canopy really, and you get the nose piece there. Okay, you see that? Brilliant. Looking at the sprues themselves, they are not numbered. These are not numbered, so you're going to have to work your way around this kit. But it's not looking so it's got some recessed panel lines there. A little bit of on the wheel here. Doesn't look too brilliant, does it? It looks a little bit soft. But, you know, you're paying some money for this kit. Some nice detail there. As I said, no detail on the inside, obviously. You may get a little bit of cockpit stuff because you will do get some cockpit stuff. Wings, you got your 2-piece wings there, top and bottom. They're quite stumpy wings anyway. There's some cockpit detail there, and there's parts of the jet engine. So there's the that's the dashboard there, some undercarriage bits, and then you've got the tail here in sections. You got 2 types of, oh no, I see, it's 2-piece tail there and fin. So yeah, not looking too bad. I think it's, you know, it is what it is. It's made by, you know, a Sword. So there you go, there's that one there. Now this is the special bit. One side, you get in this kit, you get some photo etch. I'll just take it out of the bag. There you go, there's a nice bit of photo etch there. Okay, photo etch. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 bits of photo etch. I'll find out where they go in a minute. 4 bits of photo etch. Then you get 3D printed instrument panels, controls, and seat equipment. And I'm trying to get this up close. Can you see it's 3D and it actually sticks off the paper? Can you see that there? I'm trying to get in close. Hopefully it will zoom in on this. But look at that. Very interesting. So you got some seat packs and straps there. I don't know how these come off the paper. I'm going to have a look. But I think that's a really good addition. Really good addition. So that goes in there. You also get a masking set, which consists of, looks like some 9 pieces. So you've got your wheels there, definitely, your tyres, and you've got the frame for the canopy, and then you've also got the cutouts for the canopy as well if you choose a different canopy. So yeah, you've got quite a lot of masking there to help you along. And then you've got the decal sheet, which is printed by Tech Mod. You know, is what it is, but there's no bleed lines here. They look pretty crisp. They don't look too bad. You can see a little bit of the back in there. So yeah, not too bad. You've got a range of 3 numbers: TG271, TG263, TG267. Some roundels there. So yeah, not looking too bad. So then you get this call out here telling you how to mask up the part. So as you can see on the Canopy piece 1, you got 1, 2, 3 going around. Oops. And then you've got you use Canopy 3 or Canopy 2. I'm assuming you pick which one you want, and then you just blow over this, and you're pretty much done. So yeah, not looking too bad on that one. Yeah, and then you got your wheels there, just showing you where the wheels go. Brilliant. So let's go to the instructions. Let's have a little look. Got a call out there, so the call out does tell you where the parts are on the sprues. Very difficult to see, but you know, that's the way it goes. You know, you're gonna have to work it out as you go. It shouldn't be too difficult, really. You could even get a marker pen, and on the back on the bigger parts, you could probably or pencil in the part numbers for yourself. Starting off with the cockpit, there's some detail there. You've got a cockpit seat. You've got instrument panels. You've got levers, handles, etc. here. And then you've got your actual dashboard there to go down. Just trying to see, does it actually tell you the parts? There's the photo etch goes along here. So PE3, PE2, 49 and 50. I'm not too sure what that is. I have to look at that. I'm just wondering when. So I just assume then that when you I don't understand how these. I've never done this before. I've never seen this, so this is all new to me. I'm assuming that will then just sit on there, and you could just glue it in with some CA glue, some super glue. Just looking. Yeah, it doesn't really tell you, does it? Are they numbered? They are. Oh, FT10, FT. Was it PT? PT? That looks like PT to me. PT. So yeah, so maybe it's on here. Just quickly look through. Let's have a look. Does it actually say anything about those? No, it doesn't. So that's a strange one. It doesn't actually. Unless I'm looking at it wrong. So they've added that, but it's not in the instructions. So it's an added bonus, really. So you're making up the tub, and then you're starting off with. I'm assuming, just trying to see what that is. That must be the back end. Oh, that's where the photo etch goes in between there. So is that on the? I'm trying to look at it. Is that on the side? Of course, it's confusing, this kit. I'm going to really look into this. Oh, I see. It's the front air intakes. So that there goes there, and there's the front intakes there. Okay, the front intake, it looks like. They put the wings together, and it's telling you the colours, which is D, and they're using extra. What's it called again? xtrakit numbers here, so you're gonna have to marry them up with either your Humber or your Tamiya. All the bits go together. As the wings go together, you know. Some bits there around the gearing. And then you've got your intake. You've got your intake and your jets for the left and right. So 1, 2. So only 3 parts. It looks like. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and then C inside, and 1 on there. So. I and C, Then you're doing the rear end, so you got your tail and your fins, all good. And then looks like, is that a ladder? Crumbs. Do you know what? I'm lost on this kit. I really am. I don't know the plane at all. She's building, I think they're building something up there, but where does that go? Just trying to see where that goes. I'm assuming it's totally thrown me, this kit. It really has. I'm just trying to see where that goes in. Oh, I see it. Oh, you're an idiot. Yeah, that's your floats, that is.
Well, duh.
Numpties, that's your floats, and the arms that hold the float down, on the legs that hold the float. Undercarriage goes in. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piece of undercarriage then, with a bit of photo etch at the back. All together now, and then you finally put the rear, or at the front, and that's the rear undercarriage parts there. Then the canopy, you got a choice there: canopy 1, canopy 2, and then you've got a ground alternative and a waterline alternative. And I'm not too sure. I think 12 is the colour. I'm not too sure on this. Let's have a little look. I'm just saying, this has got a lot of bump in this, a lot of extras in this kit that you wouldn't expect. And I just find it a little bit exciting, because I was just wondering, you know, how many kits come with all this? You know, you buy a kit and you go out there and you spend the money. You buy resin parts, you buy cockpit details, you buy extra photo etch, you might buy some extra resin wheels because you're not happy with the wheels. But mostly, you know, this is quite a complete kit, and it's under £30. You know, I need to look at the research really on sort of pricing that Edar do for their Profi pack and their weekenders, etc. But you get a lot for your money here, and I think it's a really good effort. I'm going to build this one. I'm going to start on it probably next week. You know, after I've got the Meteor to build from Airfix, which is coming tomorrow, and I've still got to just get this together. But I'm missing gold paint. So thank you, Royal Mail, for going on strike, because that is way behind now. So it should have been here a few days ago, and it hasn't arrived yet. So just waiting on that. But yeah, this is going to be a pretty interesting kit to build. And as I said, you can find them, I think, through Model Centre. I've got them in stock. I don't know if anybody else is, but there you go. What an interesting idea, putting everything inside the kit. But if anyone knows in the comments how you use these, are they like sticky on? Do you like just peel them off? I don't know. Do you cut around them? You know, just let me know in the comments what you do with these 3D printed instrument panels, because I've never seen them. You know, when normally if I've done extra detail for the instrument panels and stuff, it's on photo etch as being layered paint, if you know what I mean, like Edard and stuff. So yeah, let me know. But honestly, you know, what a great kit. That's it now, folks. So if you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, and click all to be notified when I release a new video. If you want to become a channel member, please select join below, and you help us with the channel by helping me buy more products and more models like this to review and build. And any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below, because I do reply, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.